Man, I have to get it in. Man, I have to get it in. How could I win when I'm sipping on the gin? Man, I have to get it in. Man, I have to get it in. How could I win when I'm sipping on the gin? How could I win when I'm sipping on the gin? Niggas smoking on that good shit like 3 for 10. But it ain't the old time sakes. I ride flakes. Open my candy paint, man, my shit bakes. Up in the kitchen, 26 missing. Coming down the bitches, I'm a ride expedition. With heavy tip, cause it's straight drug car. Sipping on the bar, selling shit like a star. Started off at one rock, now I'm at the top. Man, the feds want me, but I can't be stuck and stop. Coming down, drop top in the fucking summer. Bitch, I'm coming down next week, I buy a Hummer. Stun till it's over on my fucking shoulders. I got a chip, watch me fucking flip. Man, how can I win? How can the fuck I win when I'm sipping gin in the morning? How can I win when I'm sipping gin in the morning? Bitch, I've been boning, bitch, I've been groaning. And I'm coming down airplane, I done flown it. I can hit the corner, hotter than a sauna. Bitch, I got some weed, but I'm already blown up a whole fucking pound. Bitch, it's going down. If I smoke something, I guess I smoked the Bobby Brown. If I got a bitch, it's gonna be like with the knee. If I get the fucking, I'ma hit the kidney knee. I'ma get it in, sip the gin when I'm rolling. How can I win when I'm sipping on the gin? How can I win? How can I win? How can I win when I'm sipping on the gin? Hold up, I pulled up and sold up and did it. I done came down, got witness and I'm with it. I'ma keep it with me when I roll through the city. Cost of hating on a nigga, but they been gritty. Down to the grind, niggas like slime, but they ain't gon' stop me from getting my motherfucking shine. I'ma have to win, flip calls to see a ball. I'ma get it in like a motherfucking star. Remember Corey far to the season fucking come. I'ma come down, started off from a crumb. Ages, made it, baby, switched up, paid it. Moved out to save a lot of people up in Haiti. Swung back in Jasper on the 84 and poked out with the deal, man. Know what the fuck I'm talking about? This ain't no hate. This ain't no flexing. North side of Jasper, Texas, still want the flexing. If you fucking hate, then that's you fucking hate. I'ma get your bitch outside and put on lemonade. Skate on the things, I still swing. Talk a lot of shit, but bitch, I'm born in the game. Still on the crib shit, yeah, I admit. Don't you talking down the facts, be listen shit. I done heard it all, I done sipped it all. If I fucking fall, I'm a steady fucking ball. I'ma still spend money at the mall. Still pull up in new school and old school, y'all. I do it big, known from the weed. Take a nigga head off, bitch, in the sick. I give respect if I come in that blitz. 84's low pro, bitch, I get in check. 84's the grill, that's how I feel. If I'm popping some, bitch, I'ma pop a pill. Yeah, I'm freestyling to the dome, going home. Bitch, I got something, bitch, hit me on my phone.